Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check ledgers in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account. On the dashboard, you will see an overview of your finances. Ledgers are crucial for detailed financial tracking, providing a complete history of all transactions for each account. We will explore how to access these detailed records and understand the information they present, ensuring you have a clear picture of your business's financial health. To access the general ledger, navigate to the Reports module located on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Accountant section and click on General Ledger. Here, you can specify a date range, such as the last 30 days or a custom period, to view all transactions across every account. This comprehensive report provides a holistic view of your company's financial activities, helping you reconcile accounts and ensure accuracy. For a more focused view, you can check individual account ledgers. From the left sidebar, click on Accounts. This will display a list of all your chart of accounts. Select any specific account, like cash or accounts receivable, to open its dedicated ledger. You will see every transaction linked to that account, including debits and credits, providing a clear, itemized history for easy reconciliation and analysis. Zoho Books offers robust options to customize and export your ledger data. Within any ledger view, you can apply filters based on transaction type, contact, or amount. You can also sort the data by date, reference number, or value. Once your view is set, you have the option to export the ledger in formats like PDF, CSV, or XLS. This flexibility allows for further analysis or sharing with your accountant, making financial management efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.